Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your computer is running slow, full of junk files, or you just want it running like new again, this video is for you. Today I'm sharing the latest CCleaner coupon codes, discounts, and promo codes for 2025, including the special back to school and summer sale deals, so you can grab CCleaner at the lowest price of the year. And as always, I've included a special link in the description that applies CCleaner's biggest discount automatically. No need to search for codes. For anyone new to CCleaner, it's one of the most trusted PC optimization tools in the world. Millions of people use it to clean out junk files, speed up their system, and protect their privacy. Here's why CCleaner is a great choice in 2025. Cleans junk files and browser data to free up space instantly. Speeds up boot times by managing startup programs. Registry Cleaner to fix hidden errors that slow down your PC. Privacy protection by clearing cookies and trackers. Works on Windows, macOS, and even offers a mobile version. Now let's talk about the deals. Here are the best CCleaner coupon codes and discounts for 2025. CClean 25, 25% off CCleaner Professional. Save 30. CC 30% off the CCleaner Professional Plus bundle, includes Defraggler, Recuva, and Spetsy. Student 15, extra 15% off during the back-to-school sale for students. Summer 20, 20% off during the summer sale event. Flash CC, limited time, extra 10% off during seasonal flash sales like Black Friday or New Year. And if you don't want to manually test codes, just click my special discount link in the description, as it's always updated with CCleaner's biggest active promotion and applies the savings automatically. Pro tip, go for the Professional Plus bundle during the sale. It gives you all 4 of Piriform's premium tools at a much lower price, which is perfect if you want complete PC care in one package. So that's it. The best CCleaner coupon codes and discounts for 2025, including the back-to-school and summer sale deals. If you're ready to clean, speed up, and optimize your computer, click the link in my description, grab your discount, and download CCleaner today. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more software deals and PC optimization tips, and comment below telling me how much faster your computer runs after using CCleaner. I'd love to hear your results. Remember, a faster, cleaner computer doesn't have to be expensive. With these CCleaner coupon codes, you can get premium performance and save big in 2025.